Good morning to my Guru. I am at the residence of our Guru, Mrs. Sushila Raghavan. Thousands of students at the Padma Seshadri Bala Bhavan were taught geography by our revered teacher. I represent a whole body of grateful students who were shaped. There's one line that always comes to my mind when I have to describe my teacher. We saw the world through her eyes.
So my teaching career per se was about nearly about 25 years.
25 years.
But then all these schools, by God's grace, things are according to my ideals. They're all run for the children, child friendly. So I'm very happy with
No,
that.
that's what we felt when we were in class.
And in this context, I would like to tell you, teaching was always my passion. Even as a young girl, I would imagine, when we were playing, I would make the children sit and then I would play the role of a teacher.
Were you a Delhi girl? Were you born in
No, I
abroad?
was born in Chennai.
Chennai?
Only in the brief period when I married, I
Okay,
moved to Delhi.
okay. So Madras has been your home.
Yeah, and I
Great.
studied in ordinary school, Shardas, Vidyalaya.
It's a great
Krishna
school.
Mission.
It's a great school.
And then
You said you were
I
university
studied in
first.
Queen Mary's.
Queen Mary's, and you were Madras University
Yeah,
first when you
then
graduated.
I did my post-graduation in University of Madras.
Wow, fantastic.
I had great teachers, Ramchandran. More than myself. I remember my own teacher was to be word picture. What you told of me was equally true of my social studies teacher.
And whether you intended it to be so or not, we were excellent notes takers. We never believed in buying printed notes, and we never had dictations in class. When did you get to do that? Because geography is a tough subject to do that.
I always had a passion for geography.
You visualized everything, didn't you?
Yeah, I don't
Because
know.
geography is multidimensional. It's
Yeah.
not like history. It's not like English, but
Right.
geography is many things: rivers,
Rivers,
mountains.
things.
I wanted to tell this to my audience. In those days, geography was geography, but we could feel for it that when our teacher, Mrs. Raghavan, taught us, there was something called physical geography, something called political geography, and something called economic geography. And every time we did a continent or the major countries or the climatic regions, we had those climatic regions, equatorial forest regions, tropical grasslands, monsoons, Mediterranean, temperate grasslands. We could feel for the entire geography, the flora, the fauna, and everything that goes on. Is there something that you'd like to tell teachers of this era who are in a way too dependent on the internet, on the PowerPoint?
Yeah, that's what I feel. See, the geography teacher is the ultimate, resource or a tool. I don't know whether you remember, I used to show by hand, the river flowing, and I don't know whether you remember.
You did that, and I have to tell my audience
I use my
again.
own body as a,
Sure.
as a tool to teach, especially physical geography.
Okay?
Even today I feel, in spite of the internet, teachers must realize two things. Eye contact. See, every child is important. She should keep her eyes very alert to see which side is not paying attention, which side is paying attention. That's one thing. Another thing, body language is very important. See, she must love the children. When you enter the club, you should come with a fresh mind.
Good.
You shouldn't carry the backlog.
Oh, you
Yeah,
preserved our innocence. I've
Yeah.
got to tell you that. We never felt that there was something wrong about us. Our self-esteem was always preserved by you. I have to say this.
I wish all the teachers feel themselves children, how
Okay.
they would feel if a particular person is not giving so much of attention or love for the child, how would they feel themselves? See, if they feel, this is called empathy.
Empathy?
They must feel what others feel. And it's very important, teachers must have content knowledge. I find that these days they are very superficial. I'm sorry to say that teachers must go in-depth study, If a particular child said something I didn't know, I would not say, I wouldn't bluff my way through. I would certainly say I don't know. And I,
We're on a sabbatical.
I was on sabbatical. I did my, what they call Commonwealth bursaries.
Okay.
Commonwealth scholarship all over India, I was the one who was chosen to represent India for geography.
Congratulations again.
So, Ramchandra, I would like you to record this, how much of work you people did it. There's a lot of difference between nowadays a project and what you did.
No, but we did whatever you
Within
inspired
your-
us to do.
Within your age
Yes.
level. There was nothing beyond. See, that is what the modern children should learn from you people. That is how much of pleasure, not only pleasure, the learning. It's not information. You got knowledge through doing. Nowadays it's only information. They spout a lot of information, but it doesn't get into them.
Sure.
Because there's no physical involvement of their doing this.
No, something that we picked in class, a lot of humility, a lot of earnestness, courage, which doesn't border on aggression or foolhardiness. We learned how to be responsible,
Yeah.
and a set of teachers. And geography perhaps is central to our existence in a global world. All of us travel. Businessmen need to know geography.
Yeah.
Politicians need to know geography. Scientists need to know geography. Art historians need to know geography today. And in a way, that was the most difficult subject which could not be taught merely by a book. There's a big message. You were yourself and you allowed classes to be themselves, the students inside those classes to be themselves in their own informal world, but always alert, always learning. And that's the greatest accomplishment. It's a gift you've given us. That there's nothing called pushing anybody to learning.
Yeah.
It's better to inspire somebody to learn.
Very, very true. Because without sounding pompous, I realized that after I taught in KFI, and many children took geography as a senior level.
They did?
And yeah, they did.
How many years
And
did you teach at the KFI?
13 years.
13 years.
And 3 or 4 of my students, quite a few, have taken to teaching.
They have.
Yeah.
Oh, I have to
Two of
congratulate them. Good
two
choice.
of them are in US.
Okay.
One boy is here, he's teaching here. So they've all taken to teaching. So
That's
by
very
God's
nice. That's
grace,
inspiration.
I'm very fortunate in my students too.